1. To hit the road. To begin a journey, especially by car or on foot. Example. After packing up the car, they hit the road for their cross-country trip. 2. To be on the move. To be traveling or constantly moving from one place to another. Example. As a travel journalist, she's always on the move, exploring new destinations. 3. To globe-trot. To travel widely or frequently, especially to different countries. Example. During their retirement, they plan to globe-trot and visit all 7 continents. 4. To be in transit. To be traveling from one place to another, usually implying a temporary state. Example. She's currently in transit at the airport, waiting for her connecting flight. 5. To go off the beaten track. To travel to less visited or remote places, away from the usual tourist destinations. Example. They decided to go off the beaten track and explore rural villages in Vietnam. 6. To be a jet setter. To be someone who travels frequently, especially by airplane, often implying a glamorous or high-profile lifestyle. Example. She's a jet setter who flies around the world for business meetings. 7. To be a road warrior. To be someone who travels extensively for work, often by car or plane. Example. As a sales executive, he's a road warrior, constantly traveling to meet clients. 8. To have itchy feet. To have a strong desire to travel or move from place to place. Example. After staying in one city for a few years, she's getting itchy feet and wants to explore new horizons. 9. To rack up miles. To accumulate frequent flyer miles or travel long distances. Example. He's racked up thousands of miles traveling between Europe and Asia for his job. 10. To live out of a suitcase. To travel frequently and not have a permanent home or base. Example. Being a travel photographer, he's used to living out of a suitcase and adapting to different environments.